What's up guys, here's me 1036. Today I bought a Cisco 8 port switch. It's a desktop switch you can use for a small business or you're at home or any office. So I'm going to unbox it and check the link per second, how much it can transfer the database and the link speeds. Yes, this model Cisco, its model number is SF90D-08. As Cisco products are always best, but some products of Cisco are very means you cannot fastly control it, means you cannot configure it. It's too hard to configure Cisco products. Now compared to the TP-Link products, they are very easy and very easy to inbuilt, and it's very easy to sustain. Means Cisco products are not having that much easy to set up, while it's too hard, complicated configurations, while in TP-Link the configurations is very easy. So I'm going to today unbox this Cisco 8 port. You can see over the back, this you can attach this switch to your router, and you can extend to 8 ports, and you can use 7 different ports for your non-wireless components like IP phones, network storage, video camera, and non-computer, means non-Wi-Fi computer which are not having a Wi-Fi in it. So you can attach this to a LAN cable. On the right side you can see over here it's written a package containing the power adapter, wall mounting kits, the product informations, and much more. The other stuff is written over here. On the left side you can see over here the specifications, the environmental, means operating temperatures. So now let's unbox these products. First of all, when you open this product, you can see over here technical support contacts from different source of countries, where you can get numbers of countries. You can get customer supports from there. Now let's unbox the other stuff. So there you go guys, you can see over here it's Cisco 8 port switch. You can see over here it's link light and some act light. You can see over here power, and on the right side you can see over here some ventilations for air, and here's the lock buttons which can lock all the ports. On the back of this post switch you can see over here serial numbers, read numbers, the voltage supplies. It's a 12 volt and 0.5 ampere. Yes, I want to say something about this switch. Means this is 12 volts, means for a ISP you can choose 12 volts, so that if you are hanging a LAN cable to here, means Ethernet Cat5 cable, and if you want to set this cable up to something 50 meters to 60 meters, so you need a 12 ports. Mind it, means if you are using a 9 port, so you cannot get that much power consumptions up to your your router, your connections. So please take a 12 port. So please be in mind that you should take a 12 ports for an ISP. If you are having an ISP, if you are running an ISP, so please take 12 ports. So it differs a lot. If you are taking a 5 port switch, 9 port, it differs in a speeds and in a variation of the data transfers. So please take 12 volt is my suggestions. I also take some measures. I also asked some ISPs for this, so they told me, so please you check on 12 watts, so you can easily data transfer, or you can get a speed. On the back side you can see over here the 12 volt POE inject, means not POE, means 12 volts injector hole. There are 8 different poles which are having different LED lights for that. So compared to the TP-Link products and the other D-Links, they are not having an each light here. Means they are having a light on the top, on the backward they are having a 8 ports, and on the top they are having LED lights, or you can having LED lights on the here. Like a Netgear products, they are having an LED light over here, and the ports are in the back side. I am also using a Netgear and a TP-Link switch, 8 ports and 32 ports. As you can see, you can hop up to my other videos. On past videos, you can see over here my server. So I'm using also a 24 port switch of TP-Link and a Netgear 8 ports, which are having back port systems, and a TP-Link are having 24 ports on the upsides, which is mounted to the server. You can see, check out my video, the old past videos. So now let's remove the other stuff. You can see over here something documentation, means it is just for the supports, I think. So license about the different websites, or about the different Cisco switch. So here it's, I think they are not having a clipping. Yeah, they are not having a clipping. I brought from a shop, but they are not having a clipping wire over here. Otherwise they are having a cardboard stuff, so to protect the two electric cords. Here it's from Leader Electricals LE1. This company Leader Electricals are having huge power cores, means a perfect power core for the Cisco's, and they are the best for making a product of the power core adapter. So our supply, you can see over here, it's an Indian volt 240 inputs and 12 volt 0.5 as usual. I told earlier. We are having two mounting ports. Yes, having two screws and two buckle holders for screws. You can see over here they are having, it's two holders for wall mounting, so you can easily wall mount like this. And you can hear Cisco, and the pins will be, the Ethernet port will be downwards. So is there any other stuff to? No, there is no any other stuff. So that's all, guys. I have said many things about the Cisco's. Means it's a product for home management and business management. You can also use for a small link. So you can see over here there is only a 4-pair wire. You can only attach a 4-pair wire, while in older series of Cisco they are having 8-pair wires. So means they are having a 8-pair. You can see over the steel nodes are here. You can see it's only 4 pairs, means a 2 cable wire. And while the others in the older version they are having an 8 pins, means 8 clipping holders. You can see, but as older product. So I'm going to wrap up today's log here by Cisco unboxing. So that's all, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, hop up to my channel, what I do, hop up to my channel, see what I do unboxing and reviews about this. I will also take a review in the description. I will make sure that how much it gets a data transfer per second. I will also do LAN, transferring LAN to LAN, how much it gives speed. So you can just, I'm switching on, you can see over here it's a power light. When you connect this Ethernet ports, you will be having a indicating of each. I'm going to check this Cisco 8 port desktop switch through a line, means LAN to LAN data transfers, and for wireless means router to switch, and then switch to routers. I'm going to set up a wireless means also wireless on a wire connection. I'm going to check up this Cisco ports. I will link in the description. You can see over here in the description how it works. I will also provide means write about this ports, switch Cisco ports, how the ports, so these are plastic ports, while other are having a steel frames over here. So I will also write in the description. So thank you guys, please sub up to my channel, subscribe my videos, like, comment, share. So that's all guys for today. Thank you.